Alright everybody, this is Dresco Precision Sound here. Like I said, we're going to be doing a video of tearing this system down. Not exactly sure if we're going to be keeping the two 6.5s in the doors, not yet. I made that decision. Also the DS18 tweeters. Head unit's probably going to stay the same. Probably going to be doing different bass knobs, probably just the PAC bass knob. But as far as the SCAR subs in this enclosure, it's probably going to go. But what I felt like doing today is we might be tearing stuff down here in a little while. I don't know if it's going to be all in this video. We're going to do a series of videos of tearing this down. But we are going to go ahead and do some playing around, do some bassing, rattle some shit apart a little bit. It's been a while since I played this. I've been driving the truck. This has kind of been sitting, it's been cold. But let's see what we can come up with here. See what kind of dB we can pull. Let's try to find something. Let's try to find some good music here. Let's go. There's like some... Anybody ever get into the fact of let me see if we can see what frequency this is. Well, that's hold. Mode. 58. That's 20. What is that? To mode and see what we can do with the windows closed at 40 hertz. Probably going to reset. Let's go down a track here. Okay, now I don't know why. Must be a little bit. Must be low. Get the sun rate coming in. See if I can put the visor, block some of that. See, where are we at? Gosh, that sun is just like, doesn't say what it is. I should turn around. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Turn around just because the damn sun. Yeah, that's gonna be better. Probably gonna turn completely around. There we go. Get Get that sun out of our eyes. Oh yeah, everything looks a lot better. Okay. So see, that's one breaking into 120, 121. This is, I don't know what frequency this is. Really dropping some voltage on that one. Okay, so trying to find some stuff here. There's some real aggressive. We're gonna go ahead and roll the windows down just a little bit. So we're consuming a little bit of battery there. That's actually kind of a weird tuning. Let's see here. Bit of smoky smell. I don't know if that's mids. I got the mids up a little bit too much on the bottom end. They're really starting to, like, if you find a break in like some low end and there's some little higher bass and the subs aren't picking it up, you can hear these things clap up here. I got them a little bumped up, like just the fact of something I did notice today when I got out, being that we live where we do, I noticed when I come out this morning and my amplifiers had a little bit of moisture on them. Not really happy about that, but we're gonna go ahead and pull everything out of this, get it put in for the winter anyway, and rebuild, get going on a box and a new design and probably different amplifiers and all that good stuff. So I hope everybody stays tuned for that, and we will get that going and start doing that. Thanks everybody for watching. Until the next video, bye bye.